Y'all, Outre never misses. Like, look at this hairline. Look at this color blend. This is perfect. Fall's coming around. Like, this is a perfect fall look. Like, girl. When I grow, like only grow, and time pass, and so perfect. They will replace all the light. Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit, honey. This one is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Elanor in the color number DRFF4/SUNGLWBRN. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So the cap construction on this unit, you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the crown, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band. And honey, that elastic band is doing what it needs to be doing. Now this unit does come pre-plucked, honey, of course, and it does also come with baby hairs and 13x5 HD lace parting space. So honey, let me just come and show you this hairline because it is doing what it's supposed to be doing. And also, y'all, they have this listed as a glueless unit, and I am wearing it glueless, so I am super excited about this unit. So y'all, I have no adhesive. You can see this little situation popping up right there. I have no adhesive on this bad boy whatsoever. You see that popping up? No adhesive. I just use a little bit of the bold hold spray, of course, on my baby hairs just to get them to lay the way that I wanted it to. But nothing's on the lace, nothing whatsoever. And of course, underneath the lace, I did go in with my Eben lace tint spray in the color medium dark brown. So honey, the lace is lacing. Now, as far as the length is concerned, like it says on the stock card, this one is 26 inches. So it's a pretty long unit, but definitely reasonable. So let me just stand up and show you guys what the length is looking like. So it's like hitting just at my boobs. And can we just get some appreciation real quick for this color blend? As I said, it's a DRFF4/SUNGLWBRN. So you do get the 4 going majority throughout. This may look like a number 2 on camera, but here with this latest painting, this is the actual color. So you see how it's not like a number 2, it's a little bit lighter than a number 2. It's a natural brown color. I absolutely love this color. I love how this sun glow brown color just peaks throughout the hair and it's not overwhelming. It's kind of like peekaboo highlights. So as far as the texture on this unit, you guys, it's not silky. It's definitely a mix between a silky and a yaki. So if you're somebody who hates silky hair like myself, I definitely would not let that stray you away from getting this unit because they did a wonderful, wonderful job at mixing it between silky and yaki. Like you feel a little slight silkiness to it, but there definitely is some yaki vibes going on in here, which I really, really like. As far as the density of the unit, this is all the hair to the front, and honey, this is perfect. This is perfect. Fall's coming around. Like, this is a perfect fall look. Like, girl, The density is definitely like 150%. It's not too thin, it's not too full either. It's right in the middle. It's perfectly right in the middle. I'm not feeling no tracks on like that, girl. I'm not feeling no tracks. And this unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. I didn't. There was a little bit of humpiness, just a tiny bit of humpiness that was going on, but luckily it was super easy to get the melt down. I just used my She Bomb wax stick. Just do the wax stick and then brush it with your bristle brush and you should be good to go. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. I did go in and adjust the straps a little bit and it's fitting my head much more secure. The cap does have some stretch to it, so I think if you have a large size head, you could possibly get away with wearing this one. But I definitely would say if you have a smaller to medium size head, absolutely 100%. As a whole, hands down, they absolutely nailed it. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. To be honest, like, I'm gonna sound like a broken record because when it comes to Outre, I barely ever have any cons when it comes to the units. And here we are again, and I can literally say that there's absolutely no cons when it comes to this unit, at least in my personal preference. As far as the pros, the first pro that I can even think of, y'all, is the fact that they said it was glueless, and it actually is glueless. Like I told y'all, I'm not wearing this with any adhesive whatsoever. It is fitting secure and snug on my head. I like the fact that Outre was true to their word when they said that this is a glueless unit. It's super comfortable on my head. The density is beautiful, y'all. The texture is beautiful. The hair quality feels nice. They came with the hairline. They came with the baby hairs. This was, I want to say this was a throw in and go. I don't think that this is a special occasion unit, honey, because I am me. I would wear this every day. Like, I'm sorry, I would wear this every day. I think it's beautiful as it is. As a whole, I absolutely love this unit, y'all, and I highly recommend. I'm telling y'all, I love it so much more out of the box than I did on the stock card. Just do yourself a favor and pick this one up. I'm telling you, it's probably gonna hit in every color, honey. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.